Hello students, today we are going to learn the fourth type of transformation and it is interrogative to assertive sentence. So suppose there is given any interrogative sentence and you are asked to transform that interrogative sentence into assertive sentence. So how we can do that? So first, at the starting of learning this sentence, we should know that if the interrogative sentence is given in the affirmative form it means affirmative form. So we have to make assertive sentence in a negative form. Negative sentence it means in that sentence there we need to use no, not, never. If there are given this kind of words no, not, never, so those sentences are negative sentence. And if in any sentence there is not given any word from these kind no, not, never, so those sentences are called affirmative sentence. So if interrogative sentence is given in the affirmative form, so we have to transform assertive sentence in negative form. It means we have to use no, not, never in that sentence. But if interrogative sentence is given into negative form, it means in interrogative sentence there are used no, not, never. So we have to transform that sentence in assertive sentence. That time we have to take out all these negative words from that sentence. It means we have to transform assertive sentence into affirmative form. Now always remember this. Now let's take some examples of it. For example, is it not easy for you? So this is the interrogative sentence is given. Is it not easy for you? So first we need to look at carefully. This is okay, it is interrogative sentence, but it is affirmative or negative. So in this sentence there is given not. So this sentence is negative sentence. So we have to transform this sentence into assertive sentence. So this time we have to write assertive sentence into affirmative form. It means in assertive sentence we need not to use no, not, never. So how can we transform that? So first take the subject and then take the helping verb or main verb at the starting. So at first we will take subject is, then helping verb is, then take out not completely from this sentence because this is negative sentence. So we have to write assertive sentence in affirmative form. So we do not need to use not in this sentence. It is, then write remaining sentence as it is easy for you. Then give a full stop. So this is the affirmative sentence. Because in this sentence there is not any no, not, never word. And if in interrogative sentence it means when the sentence end with question mark, in that sentence ask a question. So that is interrogative sentence. And if in that interrogative sentence there are the word no, not, never, so that is interrogative sentence but negative sentence. So at that time we have to transform that sentence. When we are going to transform that sentence in assertive sentence, so if that is negative sentence, we have to transform that assertive sentence in affirmative form. It means we do not need to use any no, not, never sentence in that. Now, if this sentence, interrogative sentence, came in the affirmative form, so how can we transform that? For example, there is not given not in that sentence. Is it easy for you? So this is the interrogative sentence. In this sentence there is asked a question, but there is not, use, no, not, never, this kind of word. So this is affirmative form, affirmative sentence. Now this sentence we are going to transform into assertive sentence. Now when we are going to transform this sentence into assertive sentence, that time if this sentence, interrogative sentence, is given in the affirmative form, so we have to transform that into negative form. So how can we transform this sentence into negative form? First, take the subject it, then take the helping verb is, then after helping verb take not, then write every remaining sentence as it is. Easy for you, and finally give full stop there. In this way we can transform interrogative sentence into assertive sentence. If the interrogative sentence is in the negative form, so that time we have to transform assertive sentence into affirmative form. But if the interrogative sentence is the affirmative form, we have to transform the assertive sentence into negative form. Now let's take another example. Can we help them in this situation? So this is the interrogative sentence, but there is not given any no, not, never, this kind of words. So that time this sentence is in the affirmative form. Now we are going to transform this sentence into assertive sentence. But this interrogative sentence is in the affirmative form. So this assertive sentence we need to transform it in negative form. So how can we transform it? First, do some changes here. At first take the subject, then take helping verb. We can. Then if this is in the affirmative form, this assertive sentence we need to transform in negative form. So we can use we can not. After not, write the remaining sentence as it is. Help them in this situation. And suppose this interrogative sentence came in the negative form. For example, can we or can we not help them in this situation? So this is the interrogative sentence, but this sentence is given in the negative form. Why? Because there is used the word not. Now we are going to transform this sentence into assertive sentence. But if the given sentence, interrogative sentence, in the negative form, so we need to transform assertive sentence into affirmative form. Always remember this. So how can we transform? First, do exchange there. First take the subject, then helping verb can, then take out not from the sentence and write full remaining sentence as it is. We can help them in this situation and write full stop at the end of the sentence. So students, In this way, we can transform any interrogative sentence into assertive sentence, and I think you understood how can we transform this sentence. Now, in this side, I am going to give you few sentences, and you have to write those sentences and give me reply on our group as quickly as possible, as soon as possible. Now, look at here. Weren't they suggesting anything should you should I go there? Is the man not handling everything are you okay? Am I not intelligent? So students, these are the 5 sentences, and you need to transform this sentence into assertive sentence. So students, this part ends here. Have a good day to all of you. Thank you very much.